So what is ChatGPT and where does the power come from? Well, the people behind it are the same company as OpenAI that have produced some powerful engines like Codex, or they're behind GitHub, and they do day-to-day coding, and they know the power behind coding. They also have an example of image generators that they've created to populate different images. This can be scary for a company like Stack Overflow that prides itself on human-related answers, and they've gone as far as banning ChatGPT from their systems. So the cool thing is ChatGPT is entirely free. It's simply go to OpenAI, log in with a brand new account, and then go to the interface, and it's a simple design. It's got different examples, capabilities, limitations of ChatGPT. Some of these capabilities are quite powerful things, like remembering what user said in the conversation and providing follow-up corrections, as well as the first thing I wanted to do to see if I could tell me what to do in Python. Being a developer, we use Hello World, and so I decided to type that in, and it gave me the hello function. I could copy and paste that code in, and it goes into everything that the application needs. So here's the real power of ChatGPT. I was having an issue with the video file, and there was just an error in the code, so I asked ChatGPT to fix that code, and it literally will take that code, upload the code, and then tell me exactly how to fix it and give me the copy and paste code to put in to fix that problem. So as you know, as coding, you can make some typos, and this was just a simple typo of misspelling the word return, and it came back and corrected that for me. So outside of the technical side of programming, it's very practical, and pretty much you'll do anything you want. So you could create a list of foods that you want to eat that don't include carbs, and say I'm trying to lose weight, and give me 3 dishes that I could try. It'll even go as far as setting up and giving you a grocery list. So the power of ChatGPT is incredible. You need to try it out. I've got a link below for OpenAI. Just use that and click on that and get that and try it out. You're going to see the power of this and how you can use it.